How do you increment or decrement numbers in Vim? The quick version is Control-A increments, Control-X decrements. The first thing you want to do is make sure that leave insert mode, make sure you're not in insert mode. Press escape to enter normal mode. This is where you're going to enter your commands. Put the cursor on the number, and Control-A will increment that number by 1. Now, if you want to decrement, put the cursor over the number, press Control-X. Each time you press Control-X, it will decrement that number. What if you want to increment or decrement n number of times? So instead of holding down Control-X or Control-A for a long time, you just want to jump to a much larger increment or decrement. You prefix the number of repetitions before pressing either Control-A or Control-X. So for example, if you want to increment by 100, you type in 100, then Control-A, increments by 100. What if you want to decrement by 100? Type in 100, Control-X, decrements by 100, and you can repeat that as many times as you want. What if you're incrementing a number with a decimal? What will happen? You're only going to increment the number on the current side of the, you're only going to increment the number under the cursor on the current side of the decimal. So right now, the cursor is on the left side of the decimal. I'm only going to increment the number on the left side. It's not going to affect the number on the right. If I move to the other side of the decimal, and I start incrementing or decrementing, that will only affect the number on the right of the decimal. It's not going to increment the left side by 1 or decrement the left side by 1. So that's how you increment and decrement numbers in Vim.